Saturday afternoon, evening. We weren't really planning on doing anything because we thought of bearing one out in the combine, but it actually didn't. We had a small fire, just like some embers burning. I think it's because it's so dry, and the leaf probably landed on the muffler is what our mechanic thinks. So we came down just to fill up some things, throw a little bit of corn, and probably take that tractor home so we can drill wheat tomorrow. It's just me down here. My dad went to go dump the semi. I think Paul's coming in a little bit. We're gonna drive the tractor back, but just listening to some college football, harvesting some corn. Not too bad of a day. Surprisingly, the deer have not really ate this up too much. So we're getting some better yields than what we normally do on this farm. Because it turns out if you actually have a stand, things go pretty well.
Tailgate party. Masonic Lodge.
Damn good.
Mm-hmm.
We was gonna go to Pekin today, but we
Pecan? Yeah.
Grandma Nancy brought out dinner, and now we are back to it. Paul is my videographer for the evening. I'm taking his spot for a little bit. We're probably gonna run out of fuel at any second, but that's alright. I guess that'll be where we stop tonight. Let's see how good I can go around this corner here. Total professional. I don't know what else to say. Absolute pro. Not really. What do you think, Paul? How am I doing?
Good.
Got a couple of skips out here. I don't know what's going on. Maybe ran out of seed planter or what? Or poor emergence? Not sure.
Or spray tracks.
Could be. Good point. Lots of variables. What do you think, Paul? How am I doing like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Six? 5?
What? That's terrible. I think that's Dad and Grandma and Mom and the whole crew down here. Well, we're rolling along here pretty good. Paul says I suck at this job, but I think he just wants to actually be back in the saddle. Is that right, Paul?
Maybe.
Oh, there's the truth. There's the truth. He's trying to get me off on the roads and stuff, so it looks like I'm doing a bad job, but I promise it's not the case. Professional operator, okay? That's all I can say.
I tried telling him that I didn't get all the inrows.
Nope. He's trying to tell me the wrong thing, so it looks like I'm doing a bad job. Isn't that right?
You got
Yes,
more
no, maybe so.
inrows.
Okay, in my own defense here, I'm kind of crossing roads. We don't have road shut-offs, so if you see that falls over, just don't watch. It didn't happen. You're probably just seeing it. See, look at that. Total professional. That's all I know how to do. Kidding, I'm kidding. Feel sneeze coming. So earlier, Illinois football beat Michigan. They're somehow having a really good season, actually, which is not what we normally see out of Illinois. So that's kind of exciting. Next weekend they're going to play Oregon at Los that ought to be an ass beating. But maybe look at the upset, who knows? And our fuel meter is flashing, so I'm kind of just waiting for this to stall out at any second. But for now, we're gonna keep on grinding through. What do you think, Paul?
What do you think?
I think things are going pretty good. Saw some deer out in the field earlier, but thankfully they didn't really eat a whole lot of this hybrid this year. And I've talked to other people, and for some reason, this hybrid in particular, they don't seem to bother too much. I'm thinking it's because it has low sucrose or sugar levels in the stock compared to other hybrids, which is probably why they're not as attracted to it. I don't know that for certain, that's just my